Greetings, this is Subramanian Chandramouli, author of 4 sales book and sales trainer. In this year, I have promised to give you 52 sales tips in the year 2024, and today we are discussing about tip number 16, which is on objection handling. In objection handling, we are going to give 3 tips, and today is going to be the tip number 2, which is handling the objection about your brand. Many a times, so some of the entrepreneurs come and ask me, Subbu, when I go and meet some big client, they say, we have never heard about you, and I feel very low and I don't know how to handle that. Friends, when somebody says that they never know about you, don't feel bad, but take this as an opportunity to introduce your company and you. And while you are introducing, always give 3 relevant case studies. Say for example, if you are talking to a manufacturing customer, the prospect is a manufacturing customer, give them 3 examples how you add benefit to a similar manufacturing company. Don't talk about big stories, just say example which is of the benefit statement. If I have to be in your place, if I am meeting a manufacturing client, this is how I will talk. So you know what, like a similar company who is manufacturing such automobile components like you, we have helped them save their cost by 20% over a period of 6 months using our solution. So this will create curiosity in the mind of the prospective customer, and then he may ask you more details. Hey, can you explain me on that? So if you give 3 examples, there is a high possibility one of the example will be very relevant to him, close to him. It may be touching his current problem and he will explore more, and you have a higher probability of getting a deal. To summarize, my friends, when a customer tells you that they never heard about you, they don't know you, how can they trust you? Don't get offended. Take it as an opportunity to introduce your company, and while introducing, give them 3 relevant case study. Each case study not exceeding more than 1 minute, and you are talking only about the benefit that customer got by engaging with you. My name is Subramanian Chandramouli. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on LinkedIn for more sales tips. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.